Hey, welcome back to another video of eTakes. In this video, we are going to learn how to get JSON file from Character AI. As of now, Character AI does not officially provide feature to export chat data or interaction in JSON format directly from the platform. However, if you are looking for a way to get data from Character AI, here are a few possible approaches. You can manually export chat data. If you are a developer or familiar with web scraping, you might be able to use developer tools such as Google Chrome Dev Tool to inspect network requests and capture data. You can look for API endpoint or requests that retrieve chat data in JSON format. Open Character AI and right-click on the page and click Inspect, or you can simply press Ctrl. Interact with the chatbot and you might see the network call return data to JSON format. You can manually save network responses or write a script to automate the export of the data. This method requires technical skill and may not be officially supported by Character AI. Also, scraping data may violate Character AI terms of service, so proceed with caution. Be cautious about saving or exporting personal data, specifically if you share conversation or chat log with others. Ensure you follow privacy policy and guidelines. Unfortunately, unless Character AI officially provides an export feature, this method may require workaround or custom solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any query.